So today we're gonna build this Bird of Paradise Lego set. My voice is a little stuffy, so I'm gonna keep this short. I got this on sale on the Lego website for like $70. And it is 1,173 pieces. So let's get started. Sections. It goes 1 through 5. It looks like 5 is the dirt. That's my cat over there. Persian. Hi. Say hi. This is the instruction manual it came with. This is the Botanical collection. It looks like there are about 107 steps in total, and these are all the pieces. So let's get started. Persian's here to help. So we completed section 1 out of 5. And this is what it looks like so far. You can tell it's the base. So let's get started on section 2. Looks like the vase is pretty much complete. And the next section 3 is to start on the leaves. Which are a little jiggly and not very bendable, but I think we built it right. And I think we're gonna get started on the flowers for phase 4. So we're almost done. which means that we're on the last section, section 5, and there's really no instructions to it. It just says to sprinkle these little Lego dots into the pot. So let's try it out. So this is what the finished product looks like on my craft table. If you can't keep plants alive, just like me, I would recommend this for you. It's actually pretty big.